Hi, everybody. As we wait for your classmates to log in, I want you to find a picture or an emoji that shows how you're feeling today, okay? You can also draw on your whiteboard, okay? Hi, Abdul. Hi, Allison. Hi, Dave. Hi, Mohammed. Oh, Maria's here. Hi, Maria. Hi, Brianna. Hi, Amolola. All right, looks like we're all here. So we should all have a picture and emoji that shows how we're feeling today. Okay. So can we share our feelings? Do you need a minute? Okay, I'll give you guys a minute more to share our feelings, okay? All right, okay. So what do we have here? Abdul, how are you feeling today? You're feeling happy? Okay. I see the happy emoji sign. Okay. Jonathan, you also are happy? It seems like we all are happy. Okay. We're happy. Maria, what emoji is that? Nervous? You're a little nervous? Why? Because you don't know what to expect. It's okay. We're going to go over everything today. You don't have to be nervous. Okay. So, guys, I'm going to introduce myself. My name is Miss Dogbey. I'm your fourth grade math teacher. And today we're going to be reviewing some of your concepts that you learned in third grade. And then we're going to move into our lesson. Okay. Are we ready? All right, let's move on. Okay, so this is fluency spread. So you have 60 questions to answer as many questions as you can. I don't expect you to answer all of them. Just answer as many as you can. All right, 60 seconds. All right, on your mark, get set, go. All right, time's up. Okay, so I'm gonna put the answers up. Circle them if you got it wrong, okay? Uh-oh. So the first, let's see. The first one is 530. I forgot that. The second one is 2,800. Third one is 631. The fourth one is negative 175. The fifth one is 46,262. Any questions so far? How many of you got one correct? Okay, good. Two? Oh, good. Three, four, five. Wow, you guys are good with your subtraction. It seems like everybody is getting it. Okay, so let's move on. Number six, 10,000. So that is 5 times 10, right? So we're going to have 50,000. 200,000. Let's move this up a little. 80,000. 120,000. 70,000. Oh, wait. Oh, Ms. Dogbey almost made a mistake, right? 700,000. 200,000. 10,000. And this is a million. Oh, I forgot my comma. Uh-oh. All right. What about this one? Good. Okay. 200. Let's move this here. 1. Let's move this a little bit. 2.5 meter. 300. So this a little bit. 18. 400. 7.5, 750, right? 750 centimeter. 7.5 meter. Let's move this. 825 centimeters. 8.25 centimeters, right? 3 meter and 8.5 meter. So that is the answers. Any questions you guys want me to go over? It's okay to make mistakes. Don't be afraid to ask questions, okay? Making mistakes means we're trying, okay? So if you have any questions on this, let me know and we'll go over it. Anybody have a question? If you have a question, give me thumbs up. If you don't have a questions, give me thumbs down. All right, okay. You don't have any questions, that's good. Let's move on. Oh, I forgot to clear my stuff. So let's clear this. All right, let's read the objective. Students will be able to use place value understanding to decompose to smaller units up to 3 times using the standard subtraction algorithm and apply the algorithm to solve word problems using tape diagrams. Okay? So that's what we're doing today. Okay, so Jennifer tested 5,849 times in January. In February, she tested 1,263 more times. Then in January, what was the total number of tests that Jennifer sent in the 2 months combined? Okay. Explain how to know if the answer is reasonable. Okay. So in January, she sent 5,849, right? The word more means we're adding. So we're adding 1,263 to 5,849 to get the amount of tests she sent in February, okay? So to get this, let's see. Let me change the color. So we're gonna do 5,849, right? Plus, let's see, plus 1,263, right? So the answer is what? 9 plus 3 is 12, right? 4 plus 6 is 10 plus 1 is 11. 8 plus 2 is 10, plus 1 is 11, comma, 6. So let's see. Who agrees with this answer? Okay. Who disagrees with this answer? Jonathan, I see your hands up. So what did you get? 6,102? Oh, you know what it is? Remember, 9 plus 2 is 12, right? So we wrote the 2 here and we raised the 1 over here, right? We put it right here. So it's 1 plus 4 is 5. 5 plus 6, 11. Okay? So this is the amount of tests she sent in February. Okay? So now that we have that, they want us to know, they want us to tell them the total. So that means they want to know how much she sent in January and how much she sent in February combined. So total means the sum, okay? We're adding. So we're adding the amount she sent in February, in January, right? With the amount she sent in February, right? So I added this and I got 9 plus 1 is 11. Carry over. 1 plus 4 is 5. 5 plus 1 is 6. Okay. 8 plus 1, who can tell me? Maria. It's 9. Good job. All right. And now 5 plus 6 is 11. Let's see. Is that the answer? Guys, we made a mistake right here, right? It's okay to make mistake. So right here, we made a mistake. So we did 11. We forgot to carry over here, right? So 8 plus 2 is 10, plus 1 is 11. Carry over. 5 plus 1 is 6. 6 plus 1 is 7. So that changes things. So here we have to write our 7, right? So this becomes a what? A 12,961, okay? See, it's okay to make mistakes. Mistakes means we're trying, okay? All right, so how do you know if your answer is reasonable? We know if our answer is reasonable. Let's say I didn't go through all this math, right? I only knew how many she did and how many she got in February and how much she got in January and February, right? So I could say that, right? I could say I'm gonna round and be like, okay, in January she sent 6,000, right? In February, she sent about 700,000, right? So what is 6,000 plus 7,000? Muhammad, right? It's about 13,000, right? Yes. Okay. So if we were to round this, right, this is about 13,000. Let's see. Right? We can round this to 13,000. Okay? So that's how I know that my answer is reasonable. Okay? All right. Anybody have a question? Remember, we can ask questions here. Questions make us think, and it makes sure that what we're thinking coincide with what I'm thinking, right? It's good to have a discussion. So if you have any question or if you don't understand something, say it and we'll go over it, okay? I want to make sure you guys are understanding this. Do you understand how we got the amount of tests she did in February? She sent out in February, right? We added January because it said she texted 1,263 more times than in January. So we added January plus the 1,263 and we came to 7,112. Okay. And to find the total of the 2 months, we added January and February and we got 12,961. Okay. And you saw how we explained how the answer is reasonable. Okay. If we were to round January, it'll be 6,000. We can round it to 6,000 because the 8 is bigger, right? So we can round 5 to a 6 is bigger. 5 or more, we can round, right? Can round up, okay? And we rounded this to 7,000, right? Approximately. And we got 13,000 in total. So that's how we know, okay? Anybody have questions? No? Yes? Maybe so? Nobody has questions? Okay, we're gonna move on. Okay, on your whiteboard, I want you to write this problem. All right, let's read it together. 22,397 minus 3,745. Okay, so let's see. So we have this, right? And this is 22,397. Okay, we're subtracting, right? We're subtracting this amount, 3,745. So what we want to know now is we want to know this amount, which I'm going to call A. Okay. So I drew the picture. Remember, we draw, right? We draw, okay? So are you guys ready? I'm going to do this in a text box. 22,397 minus, let's see, minus 3,745. Enter. Good job, guys. Are we ready to subtract? What do you think, guys? Are we ready to subtract? No? So, which one is bigger? 3, 7. Can we subtract? No, right? So we can turn this into 1 and make this 13, right? Make this 11. So the answer is, now we're ready to subtract. Nine, 7 is greater than 5. 9 is greater than 4, right? 300 was less than 7, right? So we unbundled it, right? So we made it 13,000. We made the other one 11,000, right? So let's do this. Now we can subtract. So 7 minus 12 is 2. 7 minus 5 is 2. 9 minus 4 is 5. 13 minus 7 is 6. Good job, guys. Right? 11 minus 3 is 8. Good job. Right? And then we bring down the 1. So the answer is 18,652. Right? So A equals 18,652. Anybody have questions? You're good? All right. We're doing great. We're doing great. Okay. Let's move on. Okay. Don't forget, I want you guys to get a partner. I'm going to send you all in a breakout group. So type in the chat box who your partner is, right? And then I'm going to break you up into the breakout session. You guys are going to work on this problem 2 and problem 3 together, and then we're going to come back together as a class and go over it, okay? So with your partner, I want you to discuss how you guys solve this problem, what method you use, okay? I want you guys to go over like the steps, okay? Your tape diagram, I want you guys to draw it, and when we come back together, we're gonna work together and solve this together, okay? But I want to make sure you guys, I'm going to be coming into your breakout session to see how you guys are working, okay? All right, okay, so I'm going to break you up now into breakout rooms. Okay, I see you guys have tested me who your partner is.